How to fix plenty of fish not loading in browser or app. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if the plenty of fish application is not loading on both your browser or app. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If your POF or plenty of fish app is not loading in either your browser or your application, then there can be multiple reasons for this. First of all, you want to make sure that it is not the issue with the internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can also try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't work, if you're using on browser, clear the browser cache. If you're using on app, clear the app cache. To clear the app cache, you can long press the app icon on Android and tap on this I button, which will take you to your app info page, and from here you can go to the storage tab followed by the clear cache button over here, and if you come back you'll also find the force stop button. If you're using iOS or iPhone, you can try to generally offload the app instead. If you're using any type of VPN or location spoofing services, make sure that you disable those, by the way, because VPNs could also be causing you the issue. And last but not the least, go to your Play Store or your App Store and check if the app is updated to the latest version, and if it does have an update, make sure to update it. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.